Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us another way you can work with crinoline, how to make a crinoline fascinator. If you're new on this channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is DoliveB, and on this channel I share my knowledge on how to make different kinds of headwears. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you receive all notifications whenever I upload new videos. The materials needed are crinoline, the one of 7 inches width, measuring tape, needle and thread, Alice band, pocket rose, UHG glue, a pair of scissors. You can decide to add any other accessory or accessories you feel will make your work beautiful. I have 2 yards of crinoline, and that was what I used for this design. The first thing I did was to take off the thread on one side of the crinoline. The crinoline has one side of it with thread, so you just need to pull. I just pulled the thread out like that, and I secured the 2 ends of the crinoline with needle and thread. I secured the 2 ends. This is very important. Now the 2 ends have been secured, and this is what I did. I just took my needle and thread through the middle, that's the middle of the crinoline. I sew running stitches or loose stitches from one end of the crinoline to the other end, but on the middle, that's through the middle of the crinoline. Then I pulled the thread like that to form gathers, and I secured it. I used 2 yards of crinoline here. If you want yours to be bigger than mine, you can increase it. If you want yours to be lesser, you can reduce it. So I just pulled like that. I pulled and I secured my gathers. I took the needle and thread through as many times as possible to secure it properly, as you can see. Now we need to hide the edges, that's the ends that we secured earlier. I just turned, can you see the way I'm turning? I turned and tacked it down. That's all I did. I just turned it and I tacked it down. I'll be attaching this to an Alice band. You can choose to attach to a turban. You can use it to embellish your turban, a scapulator, a hat, or a fascinator crown. It depends on how you want it. Alright, so I'm just attaching my Alice band to my rose or my crinoline rose, and I make sure I secure it properly by taking the needle and thread through as many times as possible. Now this is a piece of SINAMAY that I cut out. Alright, just a small piece of SINAMAY, and I'll be using that to cover the thread showing on the Alice band. I covered that part with my SINAMAY piece using UHG glue. Okay, I made sure I applied a lot of pressure so that the SINAMAY piece will stick to this part permanently. I would like you to watch this video to the end to see how I will do the finishing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It is free. Tap the bell icon, then you select the option to receive all notifications. This will enable you to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. With my pocket rose, I'm going to embellish this little rose design. When it comes to embellishment, it's a thing of the mind. Depends on how you want it. Depends on how creative you are. Alright, this is what I just did for the purpose of this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.